My name is Brian Catlett. I am the NK Seed Sales Rep for Central Arkansas, and I've been here a little over 4 years. Now, I've had the opportunity to work with the CropWise Imagery digital team as a district champion for my particular area. And one thing I like about the CropWise tool that the group has put together for us here in NK is the fact that once we pull the fields up, it gives us the option to go in and narrow into a particular area that may show us a particular problem area or an area that may be identifying different hybrids that was split in a particular field. And what that allows us to do is to drop a pin in that particular part of the field, and we can also add notes to that throughout the season, which will allow us to share that information directly with the grower and or as an independent crop consultant. That allows us to have the opportunity to do some investigative work for those particular areas in the field. And it allows us to capture that and go in and make the corrections that are needed for that particular grower in a commercial field and or a plot that we may be working with that we can identify particular characteristics of that plant narrowed down to those individual rows. One thing I'm going to try to do with that this year with the CropWise tool and the imagery to add on to what we did last year is also work directly with the grower to identify watering and irrigation problems that may be faced from lack of irrigation or the option to see whether there was a row that was missed from the furrow irrigation. And that will also allow us to know if we can go in and make needed corrections to the watering schedule by looking at our imagery and also helping the grower know when the next scheduled timing for irrigation might need to occur as well from the imagery piece of it. It's been a great tool for me here in the South as we have irrigated acres and non-irrigated, but also the fact that it allows us to really capture some imagery that may show us disease pressures that's moving in once they've been identified for areas further south. So that's one thing that we feel is very important with CropWise imagery is being able to share that information with the grower through a pen that can walk them directly to that field, and also the notes and comments that we can add to that that will allow us to target specific problem areas that we may be facing in the field. So we're really looking forward to utilizing the CropWise imagery tool here in 2023 with our NK customers. Thank you.